Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Motorola's latest flagship contender, the Motorola Edge 60. Let's get started. Segment 1. Design and build quality. First impressions matter, and the Edge 60 doesn't disappoint. Sporting a premium glass front and back with an aluminum frame, it feels both sturdy and luxurious. The device measures 164.5 by 74.5 by 8.5 millimeters and weighs 234 grams, striking a balance between substantial feel and comfortable handling. Available in black and blue, the Edge 60 exudes elegance. The front of the Edge 60 features a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels. With support for 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, visuals are vibrant and fluid. Whether you're streaming content or gaming, the display delivers an immersive experience, further protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Segment 3. Performance and software. The Edge 60's internal architecture features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage configurations. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance across applications. Running on Android 14, users can expect a clean interface with Motorola's thoughtful enhancements, promising 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. For those passionate about photography, the Edge 60 presents a versatile camera system that's sure to impress. The rear houses a 70-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This trio allows for detailed shots across various scenarios. Video recording supports up to 8K at 24 FPS, ensuring cinematic captures. The front of the device houses a 32-megapixel selfie camera, adept at capturing high-resolution self-portraits and facilitating smooth video calls. Battery life is crucial, and the Edge 60 delivers with a 4,500 mAh battery. You can go from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes. Additionally, 50-watt wireless charging support offers flexibility for users on the go. Priced between $35,999 and $39,999 in India. Thanks for watching.